guys, what's up? It's your girl Chelsea-Alana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to do a quick get ready with me try on haul because I'm getting ready to go to brunch for my homegirl Delia's birthday. She just flew into Miami, so we're getting ready to go to Victory. I'm really going for that quiet luxury type of vibe. If you guys don't know what quiet luxury is, it's basically you are wearing certain type of clothes that look like you got that old money. You know, if we back in New York, that Hamptons money. You know what I'm saying? That Cape Cod money. And so one of my favorite brands that I love to shop from is Zeagoo. So if you are a returning subscriber, you know that Zeagoo, I've done plenty try-on hauls with them. And they always have like fabulous, fabulous taste, honey. They got that, you know, quiet luxury look, but not quiet luxury price. So make sure to check out the description links in the box below. Make sure to use my coupon code right here. This is my coupon code. Make sure to use it because you know your girl gets a nickel, penny, dime, and a coin. And so let's get started. Okay, so let's get into Zeagoo's women like navy summer dress. I love this version of the sundress because it does have a flare skater skirt kind of like beach vibe. You know, you can dress it up and dress it down, honey, but we're gonna be trying to make this look like quiet luxury. So I have this navy blue blazer that I just purchased, and so this is something that you can always throw over your dress to kind of go somewhere really quickly. Of course, you would have to accessorize it properly and wear, you know, some cute handbags and things like that, or throw it over your shoulder. Oh, it's giving second wife vibes. You understand what I'm saying? Fabby, fabby, fabby. Clearly, you guys know if you're new to my hauls, I never wear the correct bra, so that's that. But yeah, I love the skater flare type of vibe. You see how my booty hike it up in the back, make it look fat, all that. Okay, so this is Zeagoo's women's cotton shirt dress. Now, I absolutely love this type of style because, girl, it doubles as a dress and a beach cover-up, and it comes with pockets. You know how I love me some pockets, child. Now, how would I dress this up? I mean, honestly, this is a pretty standard. It kind of gives a tunic type of vibe, but it's not a tunic. You can button it up in the back, but I am just a hoochie mama. And so definitely would pair this with a sun hat. Like I said, this is a perfect cover-up for a beach outfit, or when you're going to like those beach kind of restaurants that are on the shore where you don't want to dress up too dressy because you're by the sea and the sand is everywhere, but then also you kind of want to have like a little vibe. Yes, let's be extra. Let's get the straw fan as well, honey. Yeah, like I said, now that we can see it more close up, you see that it kind of gives a tunic, but yeah, I'm being a hoochie. I just didn't button it. But yeah, so that is the vibe. I love how it looks like it's short, but as you can see with my booty in the back, it's not hunched up, so it still gives classy mamas. So this is the showstopper right here. This is the lounge beach set, and this is what I ended up wearing to the brunch. Now, I'm showing you how this is when you first put it on. It's a linen two-piece lounge set, which looks absolutely divine, honey. Let's get into it. However, we're going to Victory. You understand what I'm saying? We're going to shake that thing in a circle, get some mimosas, some bellinis, have us a good old ball. So we want to give young rich second wife, but still a little hoochie mama. So you see the way I tied in the shirt to give it more of a contemporary type of look. And then also, I like to tie in my shirts like that when I'm wearing, when I'm trying to make it into a crop top, because then it makes sure that my bra does not show. And so I'm also going to show you what I paired this with my regular straw purse, and then I have one of my satin scarves just tied on it, giving extriana, extracana. You understand what I'm saying? So like I said, shout out to Zeagoo for sponsoring this video. Make sure to click the link in the description box below. Also, check out my Amazon storefront during Amazon Prime, and you know, make sure you purchase. Use your girl coupon code for 30% off. Now, let's get into this brunch. I hope you enjoyed. back again. Back to my back stack the M. So I'm gonna Slim Shady back the M. Once you go back again, and moves at the country abdomen. This like a Chanel in my. Why is it not calibrating on my face? Anyway, what's up, you guys? We are going to my homegirl's birthday. I was actually supposed to be with her all week, but a lot of stuff was happening this week, and so I was distracted. And so she leaves tomorrow, unfortunately. So I'm only gonna be able to hang out with her this one day. We're going to Victory in Miami, and I was gonna do a review. And the first thing I'm gonna say is that why the F doesn't Victory in Miami have valet? All the other restaurants on this street has valet, but Victory, very, very ghetto. And it's also so ghetto that valet, I'm waiting for them. Like, they told me, like, oh, we're gonna go do something real quick, park your car right here, and I've been waiting for them for the past 10 minutes. It's raining. I need them to walk me to the door with an umbrella. My eye is burning. I don't know why. So yeah, my homegirl Talia, she's turning 29. We've known each other since I was in the 5th grade. I think she was probably in the 7th. I don't know. We've been knowing each other for over 15 years, and so I'm so happy. I haven't seen her in 2 years since I moved to Atlanta, then I moved to Miami, and so I haven't seen her in 2 years, and I missed her so very much. Alright, let's go have fun. Okay, so first things first, the AC is broken, it's hot as fuck in here. Then they let me know that the wait staff in the kitchen is delayed, so it's not, the food's not coming out no time soon. Like, girl, already the disappointment. I'm so disappointed. Atlanta would never. It's so ghetto in here. It's horrible. Like, I'm hot. I'm sweating. Oh, there we go. T-shirt, panties. Happy birthday to Leah! I'm getting classy. I can get romantic. It's all up to you. What you wanna do? Oh, you don't got drinks. Shit, about to go there.